Courtship bonding phase. Seahorses are unlike any other marine species. Before reproduction even begins, males and females engage in a complex courtship ritual that can last for days or even weeks. This bonding phase is not optional. It is essential for successful reproduction. Unlike most fish, seahorses often form monogamous pairs. Some remain bonded for an entire breeding season, while others maintain their partnership for much longer. This exclusivity strengthens coordination and ensures both partners are biologically synchronized for mating. The courtship itself is a carefully choreographed display. Seahorses communicate through dramatic color changes, brightening to signal readiness or darkening to express focus. They engage in slow, deliberate dances, swimming side by side in perfect harmony. At times, they intertwine their tails, anchoring themselves together as if sealing a silent agreement. This is not mere romance. These rituals serve a critical biological function, synchronizing the female's egg production with the male's brood pouch readiness. Timing is everything, and this courtship ensures precision. Egg transfer role reversal. This moment is the most famous and scientifically remarkable stage of seahorse reproduction. It is here that traditional biological roles are completely reversed, and the male seahorse prepares to carry the next generation. The process begins within the female. She produces eggs inside her ovaries, carefully developing them until they are fully mature. Once ready, her entire physiology signals that the transfer must occur with absolute precision. During a synchronized courtship ascent, the female aligns her body with the male. Using a specialized tube known as an ovipositor, she deposits her eggs directly into the male's brood pouch, located on his abdomen. This transfer happens in seconds, yet it determines the survival of the offspring. Depending on the seahorse species, the number of eggs transferred can range from a few dozen to several thousand. Each egg represents a carefully timed investment, entrusted entirely to the male. At this exact moment, the transformation occurs. Once the eggs enter the pouch, the male seahorse officially becomes pregnant, a biological phenomenon found in no other animal group. Fertilization inside the male after the female deposits her eggs. The male seahorse takes center stage. Inside his specialized brood pouch, fertilization occurs. But this is no ordinary process. His pouch becomes a fully functional incubator, an underwater marvel of nature. The male's pouch acts strikingly like a human placenta. It provides oxygen to developing embryos, regulates salinity, adjusting the internal environment to match the surrounding seawater, supplies essential nutrients to the growing young, removes waste, keeping the developing embryos safe and healthy. Every function is carefully coordinated, ensuring the embryos are nurtured and prepared for life outside the pouch. The pouch's environment is dynamically adjusted based on water conditions, protecting the delicate embryos from sudden changes in temperature or salinity. This level of precision is unmatched anywhere else in the animal kingdom. Male seahorses are literally walking, swimming nurseries. Pregnancy gestation. Once the eggs are safely inside the male's brood pouch, gestation begins. This phase can last anywhere from 9 to 45 days, depending on the seahorse species and the surrounding water temperature. Every second counts in preparing the next generation. Inside the pouch, the embryos grow rapidly. They develop eyes, fins, and tails, slowly taking the shape of fully formed miniature seahorses. The male's body adapts to meet their every need, ensuring they are nurtured until they are ready for the ocean beyond the pouch. The male's brood pouch expands significantly to accommodate the growing embryos. Blood vessels multiply inside the pouch walls, providing oxygen and nutrients directly to the developing young. The male may become less active and eat more, conserving energy for this extraordinary biological feat. Birth, labor, and delivery. Seahorse birth is one of the most intense and dramatic events in the animal kingdom. Unlike most species, it is the male who undergoes labor, transforming his brood pouch into a life-giving machine. Labor often occurs during the night or early morning, when the ocean is calm. The male seahorse contracts his pouch muscles with incredible force, carefully expelling each tiny seahorse. The contractions are strong, rhythmic, and essential for delivering fully formed offspring. Unlike many other fish, seahorse babies are born as miniature adults, not larvae. Birth can last for hours, with the number of newborns ranging from as few as 5 to over 1,000, depending on the species. Each tiny seahorse is immediately independent, a testament to nature's precision and resilience. After the dramatic birth, each miniature seahorse emerges fully formed and completely independent. Unlike most species, no parental care is provided. From the moment they leave the male's pouch, these tiny creatures must navigate the ocean on their own. The survival rate is astonishingly low. Less than 1% of newborn seahorses reach adulthood. They face countless predators, shifting currents, and the challenge of finding food, all in their first days of life. Every tiny seahorse that survives is a testament to nature's resilience and precision. Meanwhile, the male seahorse quickly recovers. Within hours or days, he may be ready to mate again with the same partner, repeating the extraordinary cycle of courtship, egg transfer, and male pregnancy. This relentless rhythm ensures that, despite the odds, the next generation continues. Repeat cycle after birth. Many seahorse pairs don't separate. Instead, they perform a daily greeting dance, a synchronized display of connection and coordination that is as elegant as it is essential. This ritual involves swimming side by side, intertwining tails, and subtly changing colors to signal readiness. The dance is not just decorative. It reinforces trust, synchronizes their reproductive cycles, and ensures both partners are physiologically prepared for the next round of mating. Thanks to this consistent bonding, seahorses can breed multiple times during a single season. Some pairs repeat this cycle daily, maximizing the number of offspring and increasing the chances that at least a few will survive the harsh realities of the ocean. In the quiet swirls of underwater plants, the daily dances of seahorses are a vivid reminder that in nature, connection, coordination, and repetition are keys to survival. Life beneath the waves is a continuous, elegant cycle of trust and creation.